Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best convection oven is Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Convection Oven. This Cuisinart TOA 60 has a 60-minute timer and an auto shut-off option for quick cooking, while it's best utilized as a compact oven for baking. Burnt food is a thing of the past with this compact convection oven. This model offers a cool toast shade selection that allows you to brown your bread to your preference. You get all the benefits of a countertop convection toaster oven, including baking, broiling, warming, and toasting, plus the extra bonus of air frying. This TOA 60 is the greatest tiny oven on this list, and it comes with a baking pan, air fryer rack, and oven rack so you can start cooking right away. This countertop convection oven is a wonderful choice because it is simple to operate but has a lot of useful functions. This premium 1800-watt toaster oven and air fryer is equipped with a convection bake setting, convection broil, pizza, roast, bagel, reheat, warming feature, defrost, high or low convection fan speed options, and dual cook with a wide temperature range 80° Fahrenheit to 450° Fahrenheit. This unit comes with the essentials in oven light, oven rack, baking pan, air fryer rack or basket, and has a non-stick easy clean interior to make mess cleanup simple. Whisper quiet operation. Number 2 in our side is Toshiba Countertop Microwave Oven. Any appliance with numerous functions earns bonus points, and any appliance that saves counter space is always a plus. This Toshiba Microwave Convection Oven combines the convenience of a microwave with the precision of a convection oven. It takes presets to a whole new level with 4 auto roast choices and 4 auto bake menus. If the things you want to cook aren't on the predefined list, don't worry. This oven features a sophisticated sensor that monitors humidity levels and adjusts cooking times and temperatures accordingly. Because it offers a warming mode that can hold food at safe temperatures for up to 99 minutes, this countertop convection oven is a great choice for families who eat meals at different times. The rust-resistant stainless steel interior is easy to wash clean and prevents scratches. Another benefit is the Toshiba's Eco Mode, which saves both energy and money. Pre-programmed sensor menu for optimum result of popular foods like frozen pizza, potato, vegetables, and more. One-touch popcorn button and warm hold function, equipped with power-saving eco mode, sound on or off option, and child safety lock. The keypad is covered by a protective film during shipment. Please peel it off before first use. Third in our best convection oven list is Breville BOV800XL Smart Oven. The Breville BOV800XL Smart Oven brings Element IQ to the kitchen. To maintain a uniform temperature across the oven, this technology transfers and controls heat across 5 quartz heating components. Of course, it's aided by an integrated fan, which adds convection to the already effective features. In its 6-slice interior, the combination results in fast, even cooking. There are bells and whistles not found on every convection oven, such as presets for cookies, pizza, bagel, and slow cook, among the oven's 9 culinary capabilities. The dials are easy to understand, and the backlit LCD display is easy to read. Overall, it heats swiftly and evenly, giving your cooking routine a sense of dependability. The Breville Smart Oven with Element IQ system is for the home cook who needs a convection countertop oven with high performance and versatility. Reduce your cooking time by up to 30% using the convection setting and choose from 9 cooking functions. The Smart Oven's convection setting reduces cooking time by up to 30%. An inbuilt fan circulates the hot air within the oven, which speeds the cooking process by raising hotter air and sinking colder, less dense air for quicker heating. For details, let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Cosori Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The Cosori will appeal to minimalists since it integrates numerous purposes into one multifunctional convection oven, eliminating the need for a plethora of single-function appliances. As you select settings or adjust the temperature, the brightly lighted LED display helps you see letters and numerals clearly. Some of the 12 presets on this countertop convection toaster oven are actually really cool rotisserie. There's in warm, for starters, but there's also a ferment option. Another benefit of this 12-in-1 is that it comes with a rotisserie form and rotisserie handle, recipe book, food tray, wire rack, fry basket, and crumb tray, among other things. Choose the preset that's best for you without needing to set a temperature. Pick from toast, bagel, pizza, bake, roast, air fry, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment, or select warm to keep your food ready to serve. Cook for 5 to 7 people with the 32-quart 30-liter air fryer toaster oven, which can fit a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or an entire rotisserie chicken. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Oster Countertop Convection Oven. Introducing the humble countertop convection toaster oven, the Oster Extra Large model can hold up to 18 slices of bread, which is enough to fit a whole chicken or 2 pizzas. It also has a defrost setting and a 90-minute timer with an auto shutoff feature, which we enjoy. This winner of the Best Convection Toaster Oven has an easy-to-use digital display and preset buttons that allow you to manually select temperature and time or use one of the 6 preset options. This countertop convection oven also has 2 racks, a baking pan, and an integrated broiling rack, allowing you to get cooking right away. This Oster digital countertop oven offers convection technology for faster, more even cooking, and is roomy enough to accommodate large casseroles, roasting and baking pans, even 2 large frozen pizzas. It offers a 200 to 450 degree temperature range with bake, toast, pizza, and defrost settings, and a 90-minute timer with auto off. Digital controls eliminate guesswork with bake, broil, toast, pizza, and defrost settings. Use turbo convection baking for fast, even heat. For details, let's watch more.